Okay, suppose we have leaks on numbers. For example, numbers from 1 to 100. And we need to choose random number from that list. Any choice, any number. Um, the first instruction is to create the list on numbers. Um, we call the variable numbers and assign the result of this conversion. We first create range, a range from 1 to 100, and then we convert that range to a list, open parentheses, and in the argument we write range from 1 to 100. We need to write 101 because the range doesn't include the last element, in this case 101. So the range is from 1 to 100. Okay. Before we in the first line we modified and import the choice function from the random module. Random is a built-in module in the Python programming language. From random import choice. Choice is a function that allows us to choose a random number from a sequence. Sequence are, for example, leaks, strings, and tuples. Number, we create another variable, we call it number, and assign the result of invoking choice. Pass as a parameter the list numbers, and finally show the result, the contents of the number variable using a print statement. Pass number, and we can execute this code using the play yellow button, and the result is here. We have 49 as a result. Execute again and we will get another result, 61, 88, again 72, etc.